Hi everyone. Today we are going to review one car music system. It's actually belong to DULCET company. The model number is DC-F90X. They provided one feature to hold your mobile on top of the player. I just unboxed it and you can see the features on top of the box. The first one is a dual USB, one for the charging and one for the playing songs through USB. And you can see a mobile holder, SD card, aux in, FM radio, and amplifier output. And these are all good features you can experience on this box. As you can see on the screen, they have provided one aux cable, which is not of good quality, but okay, you can manage this aux cable. And this is the adapter for all the speakers wires, for two for the front and two for the back. Just you can go through the diagram and you can adjust the fittings. And this is the remote control they provided. You can see on the screen. And this is the adapter for power supply to music system. For this also you can go through diagram and you can fit as you required. The best part of this music system is they provided a mobile holder on top of this music system, and also the other feature is it has illuminating LED changing lights. the ports for speakers wire and power supply, and also they provide one fuse, and also they provided sockets for amplifier. I just placed my Samsung M21 mobile on this music system, and it fits perfectly. And you can see on the screen, you can see the videos in horizontal mode. You can navigate easy.